Hi, it's me again. Today we're going to talk about steak doneness. And that is also referred to as the color of your steak. So that would be your rares to wells. So we're going to cook these on the Coleman Revolution, and we're going to slice into them, and we're going to show you what each of them look like. Little baby steaks. So if you're cooking different colors on your grill, use the lines in the grill to kind of keep yourself organized. I like to do mine North American, left to right, rarest to wells. Okay, now we have our steaks. So we'll just give it the little poke test. This is a classic test that a lot of chefs use. So basically you want to pinch your fingers like you're holding onto a grape, and you feel your meat here. And you'll feel as you kind of keep going with that same tension in your fingers that your meat in your hand gets firmer. So as you go along, you'll be able to feel, based on your fingers, where you're at. Enjoy, and always clean your grill.